Pittsburgh. Today on this video I want to talk about breathing mechanics to increase oxygen consumption while you're doing a lot of kettlebell swings, which will feed into more endurance training as you get into more high volume kettlebell lifts or even other endurance sports. Okay? Something in our lifting community called power breathing. What you're going to do your power breath is you'll inhale through your stomach. What I tell my clients to do to get used to diaphragmatic breathing is to actually put your hands on your stomach. Inhale. Actually physically feel your belly expand and exhale right through your mouth. Okay? Inhale through your nose again. Exhale right through your mouth. Okay? So that is your diaphragmatic breath. Okay? Now the power aspect comes through when we actually exhale very forcefully. Okay? If you're thinking about doing kettlebell swings, you want to inhale on your back swing. Exhale really forcefully at the top. What that's going to do is, one, essentially squeeze all the oxygen out of your lungs which you've built up. But two, it also feeds into tension. So you should, at the very height of your swing, be able to feel that your abs are braced, quads and glutes are completely contracted, just naturally by breathing very powerfully through that, okay? Now, it is important to keep up with this kind of breath patterning as you go into more swings. So if you set your circuits, which we'll cover in the next video, for, let's say, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, it will help you train and keep up with the capacity of all your lifts round after round after round, okay? So to demonstrate how to sync this with your kettlebell swing, we'll be here. Inhale through your nose, exhale at the top. And back down, okay? And you should feel your stomach expanding and contracting each way up and down through your kettlebell swing. Again, that helps tense, brace yourself for each rep of your swing, and also helps keep oxygen flowing right in sync with every rep that you're doing, okay? Thanks for taking the time to view this video, and I'll see you on the next one.